Hey guys, today is Wednesday and we are starting our third and final underhand rolling lesson. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Today's learning objectives are: I can describe and demonstrate the 4 cues to the underhand roll. I can describe how I can be more accurate when underhand rolling. And I can use knowledge from other PE lessons to help perform the underhand rolling movement. Now, let's get warmed up. Everybody stand up, push your chair in, and let's get started with this Would You Rather spring break style.
Yoo-hoo! Welcome to Brain Break, the games where we energize our body to ignite our mind. This is a game of springtime Would You Rather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great games. In this game, you will have 10 seconds to choose between 2 options of springtime activities, and then 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Here we go. Would you rather take a hike or have a picnic? If you said take a hike, you get to run in place. And if you said have a picnic, you get to do squats. Would you rather play golf or play baseball or softball? If you said play golf, you get to dance the floss. If you said play baseball or softball, you get to do standing elbows to knees. Once the weather gets warmer, would you rather stay bundled up and warm, or would you have your shorts on right away? If you said bundled up and warm, you get to punch the speed bag. And if you said shorts on ASAP, you get to do jumping jacks. Would you rather dig for worms in the garden or catch some tadpoles at the pond? If you said dig for worms, you get to balance on 1 foot. If you said catch some tadpoles, you get to do squat punches. Would you rather play in the rain or play in the mud? If you said play in the rain, you get to balance in star pose. If you said play in the mud, you get to dance the dance of your choice. Would you rather ride a bike or rollerblade? If you said ride a bike, you get to do a squat hold. If you said rollerblade, you get to dance the robot. Great work, my friends. Hey, it's time for a Yoo-hoo shout out. Shout out to Mrs. Washington's 2nd grade class and
Great job, everybody, on that warm up. We have spent the last 2 weeks talking about underhand rolling and the 4 cues that go along with it. Today, we are really going to focus on how we can improve our accuracy when underhand rolling. Your task now is on your paper. Answer the first question. What is one way we can improve our accuracy when underhand rolling? In your own words, answer the question. It's okay if you're wrong, but we're going to work on that throughout our lesson today. Teachers, you may pause the video if your students need more time. Now, let's review those 4 underhand rolling cues. Remember, the first is ready position. The second is arm back. The third is step with the opposite foot. So when I'm rolling with my right hand, I'm stepping with my left foot. This is very important. And the last is bend and roll. Remember, the first is ready, second is arm back, third is step with opposite foot, and the last is bend and roll. Now that we reviewed a little bit, let's talk about accuracy. As you guys get older, we're going to move a little bit more into how we can apply underhand rolling. You apply underhand rolling definitely in the game of bowling, but let's just talk about some accuracy. When we want to be super accurate, we want to make sure that we point at our target during our follow through. So when I'm bending and rolling, I'm going to point towards where I want my ball to go. In this case, you can see in the top right, I'm pointing directly in between the legs of the chair. This is where my ball is going to end up. Now, if I finish with my hand pointing out to the right, you'll see my ball also finish in that direction. And also, if I finish pointing to the left, my ball will go in that way. Remember, you can control how accurate you are by making sure you point your hand towards your target after you're bending and rolling during your follow through. Now it's time for equipment. Teachers, please pass out 1 piece of paper to each student. Students, when you get your piece of paper, take the time to make the best paper ball you possibly can. Teachers, you may need to pause this video to pass out the paper. Everybody freeze. You should place your paper ball on your desk and be waiting for further instructions. Now, let's practice. We're going to use our 4 underhand rolling cues to roll in between the legs of our chair. We're going to make our objects that we're rolling towards smaller during this lesson, but for now we're going to start rolling just through the legs of our chair. Remember, those 4 cues are ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. We're going to roll for 2 minutes. Let's see how many times you can roll through the legs of your chair using the 4 underhand rolling cues. Good luck. Your timer starts now. Ready? Go. Okay, great job. Everybody freeze. Let's get ready for another activity. Now, we are going to work with our partner. Teachers, take this time to pair up the students to work with a partner. You may need to stop the video in order to do this. Once you're with your partner, take one chair and turn it upside down like you see in the GIF. You and your partner are going to roll against one another. Take turns for 2 minutes. Use those 4 underhand rolling cues: ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. And see how many times you can score. You will be playing against your partner only for this round. You've got 2 minutes. Okay, great job with that challenge. I hope you and your partner were both able to find success there. Everybody, freeze. Now, you and your partner are going to add a chair. This is going to make it more important for you to be accurate because you're going to have to roll straighter for longer. So, you're going to have 2 minutes. You are still going against your partner. Take turns in your space using the 4 underhand rolling cues of ready, arm back, step opposite, and bend and roll. You've got 2 minutes. Let's see how you guys can do. Ready? Go. Great job on that challenge, guys. Let's keep going. Now, everybody freeze. Now, you and your partner are going to compete against the class. So using the same setup with both of your chairs, you and your partner take turns using the 4 underhand rolling cues and see if you can beat the rest of the class. Everybody, take your time, use those 4 cues, and try to be accurate. Remember, we're working on accuracy by pointing to our target today. Everybody, here you go. Good luck. Okay, great job. Teachers, see which partners were able to win. Okay, everybody freeze. Now, for our last 2 challenges, we are going to use our non-dominant hand. Yes, that's right. If you've been using your right hand, you will now use your left. If you've been using your left, you'll now use your right. So we will have 2 minutes. You will compete against your partner using those same 2 upside down chairs. Remember, use the ready, arm back, step opposite, bend and roll. This may be a little uncomfortable, but it'll help us think about our cues whenever we're doing the underhand rolling movement. You guys have been doing a great job so far. You've got 2 minutes. Compete against your partner in your own space using your non-dominant hand. Ready? Go! Okay, great job, everybody. And now for the last challenge, you and your partner will both use your non-dominant hand. You are going to compete against the rest of the class for 2 minutes. Teachers, please have students count their successful trials rolling through their target using the 4 underhand rolling cues and see who wins. Everybody, good luck. You've got 2 minutes and your time starts now. Fantastic job, everybody. Okay, last thing before we go back to your sheet, students, and answer question 2. In your own words, how can we improve our accuracy when underhand rolling? Remember, it has something to do with how we finish. Please write in complete sentences. Teachers, once students are done, please take these up and collect papers. Students, how do you think you did during this lesson? What did you think about your ability to perform the 4 underhand rolling cues? Do you feel a green thumbs up, great, I did awesome, an orange sideways thumb for I need a little more practice still, or a red thumbs down for I need a lot of practice? All in all, you guys did a fantastic job. Thank you for your hard work, and I look forward to a fun lesson next week. Great job, guys.